Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this ZTE Blade A31 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout to never on this device. So first of all, open up the settings app. Here look for the display, expand, you should not really expand the advanced category in order to access the screen timeout setting because it's located right here. Tap on it, and all that it's left to do is to set it to never. And from now on, no matter for how much time your screen will be in the idle status, it will not automatically turn off. Alright, so that was it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!